Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Everybody likes some crispy biscuits with the evening cup of tea. So in this lockdown period, I am going to make some palmiers, or you can say butterfly biscuits. In Bengali, Projapati biscuits. The ingredients that I am going to make are also available at your home. So let's see how to make it. Here I have 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, some chilled water, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 cup of crushed sugar and 150 grams of butter. In a mixing bowl, I am taking 200 grams of all-purpose flour. To that I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of sugar and mix everything well. Now start knead the mixture with some chilled water. Once your dough is ready, cover it with a damp towel and keep it in a side for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes the dough is ready. Now it's time to roll it out. Just sprinkle some flour and roll it out in one direction and make a nice rectangular shape. Now take the butter and divide them into 3 portions and 1 portion will put it on the sheet. The consistency of your butter should be soft but not very soft. Okay. I have spread the butter 2/3 portion of the sheet and left 1/3 portion empty. Sprinkle some flour on the sheet. Just fold like this. Once this process is done, lift your sheet very carefully and put it in the cling wrap and put it in the fridge to chill around 15 minutes. For people who don't have cling wrap, using a damp towel, cover the sheet and then put it in the fridge. We have to repeat this process 2 more times using a butter. After 3rd time, remove the sheet from fridge. Now I am rolling again and fold this dough without the butter. Now the top portion goes first and the lower portion over it. So this process we have to knead 2 more times. I am finished it 1 time and again it goes into the fridge and then 2 or more times. Okay. Now the folding up of sheet is done. Total 6 times. 3 times with butter and 3 times without the butter. Now I am rolling again. Cutting the edges with the help of pizza cutter. grate the butter and sprinkle some sugar upon it. Roll it lightly so that the sugar is tightly fitted on the sheet. Now start rolling to the top of the sheet. Now roll bottom of the sheet just like the shape of butterfly. Then cut it using a sharp knife. As you can see, the shape is looking like a butterfly. After that, put it on a microwave pan. We had preheat the oven on 200 degree in 10 minutes. We will bake the biscuits for around 20 to 30 minutes. So here we have some super crispy butterfly biscuits with a cup of tea. You can also store it in a airtight container around 1 month. So try this and enjoy it with your family. Be safe. Thank you.